How to send Snapcode to someone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Snapcode to someone. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Snapchat application, let's first visit the App Store over here or your Play Store if you have an Android. So what we're going to do here is to check if your Snapchat is up to date. So to do that, just type in your search bar for Snapchat and click on Snapchat. So to check if it is up to date, if it shows an update button like on this page, that means that my Snapchat is currently outdated and I have to update it by just clicking on this update button. If that says open, that means that your Snapchat is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Snapchat application, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the Snapchat app. And once you open it, you can be at any other page or like camera page or the snap map, and you can still access this profile icon at the top left corner, so just click on that. And from here, you can actually already see your snap code. So this is your snap code over here. So let's just click on that so that it will be enlarged. And if you want to send this snap code to someone, you can just click on share over here, so people can snap or scan your snap code to add you as a friend. So you can just click on share over here, and then you can share it to other platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, Instagram stories, messages, Twitter, Messenger, and Facebook. Or you can also download it to your camera roll or gallery and just share it later on to any social media site or platform. You can also save to camera roll directly by clicking on this option, and you can also share your profile link and it will show it as like this one. If you like this format better, you can also download it again or directly share it to other social media platforms. So that is how you can basically send a snap code to someone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.